And look where I am. I'm in Fujairah, in the waterfall. Let me show you. I'm trying, but I cannot be mad at you. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this to give. Your body's that's a very, very tall. Still it to the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. 'Cause you just trust me. I can never do you. So opposite side is beach, and that over there, port area, Fujairah Port. So it's more than an hour drive from Dubai, but it's okay. It's a nice place. It's not that hot here. I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. Yeah, 'cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. Remember the things that you told me. They got me moving forward. This seems to be a coliseum, an arena. So I think it's still under construction. It's gonna be nice once it is ready. Especially when I look back on us. It's starting to sink in. Don't want it to be misunderstood. Rolling in the deep. Don't want to break this. And this is the mountain view outside the Arena or Coliseum. And the beach is just opposite of the road, next to the waterfalls. So tall, like the Roman era.